Hello Rockstar, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Obapa Ekwiadeche. I have been working with this amazing multi-million manufacturing company that manufactures quality and organic products for you. This company is asking you to use their products so that they pay you for using their product. If this is more like you, feel free and hit on the subscription button as well as you hit on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post. Every organization has a distributing channel or a distribution system. Nestle Ghana has a distribution system where they manufacture the products, and after they manufacture the products gets to you into the country or wherever you are. Aside advertisement and PR roles that are made, this company Nestle finds its way into your homes. And how many of you have used Nestle products before? Lift up your hand or leave a comment below in the comment section and I will be glad to share with you your Nestle drink. This organization is in 183 countries and have been manufacturing organic products back to back. In Africa, it's asking you to use the products. It's in Cameroon, Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, Botswana, Ghana, Togo, Zanzibar, Mozambique, and so many countries globally. It is still looking for new markets, so you can become a part of us and use the product and get paid. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how you can make 10k with this organization in a week. Everybody who uses these products, who shares these products to friends, is a distributor. Now, when you are a distributor, the company pays you for becoming a distributor. Now, there are different types of distributors. I'm going to talk about three main distributors, which we call the stockists. The stockists are people who keep the products and later distribute it to every nook and cranny. And these stockists are in three main categories. The first is the country stockist, the regional stockist, and the local or area stockist. Whenever you invest into this manufacturing company, the company does well to pay you in several means, and we are going to take a look at how the company does that in this video. First is the country stockist. The country stockist is the first point of contact when the company imports products into the country. The country stockist is responsible for sharing these products to all over the country, and the company pays them on this. For you to become a country stockist or buy a country, you need $100,000 invested into the company. Now, when you do this, the company gives you back the money that you have invested in several means. One, or the first, is the company gives you your money in a form of product. So you take products worth or more $100,000. Aside your $100,000, you earn 10% profit on the sales generated in the country by your own effort. For instance, the profit within the year was twice of money that you invested in. You get 10% of that much money. The next is 4% of other people's income. So if other people in the country say 40,000 people made 40,000 profit. You take 4% profit out of the 40,000. You are entitled to becoming a part of the board of directors, where you become a part of management and administration, where you help in running the company. There are other incentives that are given to you on the spot when you invest with 100,000 US dollars. You get a car award worth $3.5 million. The organization gives you 3 to 4 slots of all expense paid trip. Now you get a trip also to go all the way to China and visit the CEO of this organization. So because you have to get your cash back. Now there are two means of getting your cash back. One is you get the amount invested in the company by selling the products, by distributing the products, and you get back your money. Now that's not all. The company pays you 10 to 15% cash back on return on your investment, which means that it is a win-win situation for you to become a country stockist. Now let's talk about the regional stockist. If products are at the head office or every regional capital, the products have to get to the regions. That is where the regional stockists come into play. The regional stockists invest $50,000 into this organization, and you are paid, or you get back your money first in a form of products, second through sales, and third, the company also pays you 15 to 30% return on investment in exactly 4 weeks of the amount you invested in. So if you invested 50,000 within 4 weeks, the company gives you back your money of 50,000. Just like the country stockist had other incentives, you also get other incentives. This includes 20% profits that are generated in the region. So if the region gave you 50,000 profits, you are taking 20% of the 50,000 profit. Aside this, the percentage that is generated by other people who worked in the organization just like you did, 8%, and this is paid to you straight into your bank account. The next is you get 3 all expense paid slots to Dubai and Zanzibar worth $2.5 million in cash. So you decide to go on the trip or you take the cash. If I am providing you with value till now, hit on the subscription button and also click on the notification bell. Get notified anytime I post content on how you can use products and get paid. Lastly, we have the local or the area stockist. The local or the area stockist invest $10,000 into this manufacturing process, and you get back 10,000 worth of products. The local stockist serves as your immediate source of products when and where at your convenience. They are closer to us in our area, and I have one just here in my area. It's just some meters away. I walk to her and I get products. So the area stockist is all over with us, around us, and we get products just at the snap of the finger. So you can become a local stockist with $10,000 or by providing 4 VIPs and you become a local stockist. If you do not know what VIP is, check on the entry levels video that I did, and I'm going to put it in the description section where you can check up on that. So you provide 4 people who are VIPs and you become an area stockist. Just the country stockists had their money back in a form of products, you also get your money back in a form of product. Now you are also going to recoup your money by sales, and the organization pays you a total of 5% on return on investment within 4 weeks. You also stand a chance of traveling outside the country on a free all expense paid trip. Now, if you are excited about this and you want to know more, leave a message below in the link and I'll get to you, and I will be glad to get you started. I am glad you watched this video to the end, and I will need you to start using products so you get paid. Until we meet in Zanzibar, I am Obapa Ekwiajeche. Bye bye for now. See you.